Good day, everyone, and our topic for this day is about quadratic formula. Our objective is to solve the roots of quadratic equations by quadratic formula, and the skills needed for this is the operations in integers and fractions, as well as using square root property. Another method for solving quadratic equations is by using the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so this formula can be applied for all quadratic equations. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. We are going to have the values of a, b, and c in such a way na yung given natin ay naka-general form. And this method can be applied to all kinds of quadratic equations kung factorable, and kahit hindi factorable ay madaling gamitin ang method na ito. So for us to understand, let us have our first example. Solve the roots of x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0. Let us observe the given. Since ang given natin ay naka-general form, let us get the values of a, b, and c. Here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to positive 8. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 8. So, we have this formula again. X is equal to negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then x is equal to negative b, which is negative 6 plus minus 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 8 all over 2 times 1. And then x is equal to, inegate natin si 6. So we have negative 6 plus and minus square root of 36 squared is equal to 36 minus 4 times 1 times 8 equals minus 32 all over 2. So we have negative 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 32 is equal to 4 all over 2. So simplifying further, we all know that square root of 4 is equal to 2. We have negative 6 plus and minus, which is 2 all over 2. So, since tapos na natin i-simplify yung ating radical expression, pagsamahin natin yung numerators and paghihiwalayin natin na yung isa ay plus and yung isa ay minus. So, we have x sub 1 is equal to negative 6 plus 2 over 2, and the other one is negative 6 minus 2 all over 2. And simplifying further, we have negative 4 over 2, and we have negative 8 over 2. So, negative 4 over 2, that is negative 2, and negative 8 divided by 2 is equal to negative 4. So, therefore, the roots of x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0 are negative 2 and negative 4. Let us check if the given values of x from our solutions are the final answers or the correct answers from the equation. So, kapag napatunayan natin dito sa solutions na ito, once na sinubstitute natin itong mga roots na ito dito sa equation, dapat yan ay magiging 0 equals 0. Okay, so as you can see, the end point or the end solution is 0 equals 0. Example number 2. Solve the roots of 4x squared minus 4x equals 3. Let us observe if the given equation is already in general form. Okay, so as you observe, hindi pa siya naka-general form. So the general form of this equation is kailangan lahat ng terms natin ay may ilagay sa isang side ng equation. And obviously, pwede natin ilipat yung 3 dun sa kabila. So magiging 4x squared minus 4x and then minus 3 then equals 0. Okay, kapag naka-general form na, we can able to find the values of a, b, and c. Here, a is equal to 4, B is equal to negative 4, and C is equal to negative 3. So using this again, the formula, substitute all these values. So x is equal to negative 4 plus and minus square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times negative 3 all over 2a. Okay, so 2a is equal to 2 times 4. So simplifying further, ine-negative natin si negative 4. Ulitin ko, ine-negate natin si negative 4. So, kapag ine-negate natin ang negative number, siya ngayon ay magiging positive. Then, plus minus is square root of negative 4 squared is equal to positive 16. And then, negative 4 times 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative is equal to, okay, so since meron tayong dalawang negative, siya ngayon magiging plus. And then, 48. All over 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay, and then next is 4 plus and minus. I-add natin yung 16 plus 48 is equal to the square root of 64 over 8. Okay, so x is equal to 4 plus and minus. We all know that square root of 68 is equal to positive and negative 8. So, 8 over 8. So, paghiwalayin na natin yung ating solutions na yung isa ay plus and then yung isa ay minus. So, we have x sub 1 is equal to 4 plus 8 over 8 and then the other one is 4 minus 8 over 8. And then equals 4 plus 8 equals 12 over 8. And then 4 minus 8 is equal to negative 4 over 8. Okay, so 12 over 8, I know na ito ay kaya pang i-simplify. Okay, which is 3 over 2 and then the other one is negative 1/2. Okay, please be reminded that when we have fractions, make sure ang negative sign ay nasa tapat ng fraction bar. Okay, so therefore, the roots of 4x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals 0 are 3 over 2 and negative 1/2. Checking is left to the viewers. Example number 3. Solve the roots of 2x squared minus 5x plus 1 equals 0. We all know that this equation is already in general form. So, let us get A. A is equal to 2, B is equal to negative 5, and C is equal to 1. Using this equation, let us substitute all those values to this formula. So, x is equal to negative of b, which is negative 5 plus and minus square root of, square natin yung b. So, we have negative 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times 1 all over 2 times 2. Okay, a is equal to 2. So, x is equal to, inenegate natin si negative 5. So, therefore, siya ay magiging positive 5. And then, plus and minus is square root of negative 5 squared is equal to 25. Minus 4 times 2 times 1 is equal to 8. All over 2 times 2 equals 4. Simplifying further, we have 5 plus and minus square root of 25 minus 8 is equal to square root of 17 all over 4. Okay, so next, can we simplify square root of 17? Okay, meron pa bang factor si 17 na merong perfect square number? Okay, kung wala na, ilalagay lang natin is yung square root of 17 all over 4. And then, we all know that we cannot able to add or subtract a whole number to a radical expression. So, paghihiwalayin natin, yung isa ay plus and yung isa ay minus. So, therefore, the roots of 2x squared minus 5x plus 1 equals 0 are 5 plus square root of 17 over 4 and 5 minus square root of 17 all over 4. Checking is left to the viewer. To end this video, let us have this quote. Inventors fail many times yet realize that the longer they work, the more they study, and the closer they look, the greater the chances for success. Thank you and God bless.